Well, today we're here today to talk about the truths and myths of medical malpractice. There's a
Okay.
lot of people believe, and I'll start this right off before we even define what medical malpractice is. A lot of misinformed people believe that there should be some kind of restraints on the amount of money that a person who has been harmed by a doctor or a healthcare professional should get, because there are trial lawyers behind this whole thing that are trying to file any suit that they possibly can, which is defined as a frivolous lawsuit, because they want to make a lot of money, not only for them and for their clients. What do you have to say about this?
Well, first of all, the concept of frivolous lawsuits in the arena of medical malpractice is a myth. The obligation, certainly in Louisiana, for what we have to do in order to win a case requires a lot of money, a lot of time, and therefore it doesn't pay to file a claim that is not meritorious, that you have not already done the work to do. So we really don't see, and I really do, there are people that file claims that are not meritorious. But that's a far cry from filing a claim that is frivolous.
You have been a lawyer for many years.
Over 40.
And for our audience, as you mentioned, frivolous means kind of worthless.
That's correct.
Generally, what I've seen, and I have reported on hundreds of cases, what I've seen is when lawyers file worthless lawsuits, frivolous lawsuits, they are dismissed, they're thrown out of court, they never make it past the entrance gate. And if a lawyer continues to behave this way, generally a judge will recommend that he be disciplined by the bar. Is that right?
Either a judge or other lawyers or the disciplinary council, which we have in Louisiana. You really don't see a frivolous claim in the arena of medical malpractice in Louisiana never even gets to court. Because you cannot even file, you cannot even get in the courtroom unless you have physicians willing to testify that the defendant healthcare provider committed medical malpractice. So almost by definition, we do not have frivolous lawsuits in the arena of medical malpractice in this state.